The sides of a rectangular field are in the ratio of 3:4. If the area of the field is 7,500 square meter, what will be the cost of fencing the field at 25 paise per meter? Now we have been given the ratio of the sides of the rectangle. That's length upon breadth is 3/4. So as this is the ratio, I can write length is equals to 3x and breadth is equals to 4x, x being the constant. Now we have been given the area of the field. Let us find out this x by using it along with the area. So area is length into breadth. So 7,500 is equals to length is 3x times breadth is 4x. So I have 7,500 is equals to 3 4s are 12 and x times x is x square. Okay, so x square is equals to 7,500 divided by 12, and that is equals to 625. So therefore x is equals to under root of 625, and that's 25. So length is 3 times 25. So 25 times 3 is basically 75, and 25 times 4 is 100. So length is 75 meters and breadth is 100 meters. Now we have been asked what is the cost of fencing. So for that we'll need to find out the length of fencing, and that would be the perimeter. So the perimeter is equals to twice length plus breadth, and that's twice 100 plus 75, that's 175. 2 times 175 is equals to 350 meters. So the length of the fencing, that is the perimeter, is 350 meters. Now we have been asked what is the cost if the rate of the fencing is 25 paise per meter. 25 paise is 0.25 rupees. So the cost will be equals to 0.25 times 350, and that will be 87.50 rupees. So option D is the correct answer. A rectangle of certain dimensions is chopped off from the one corner of a large rectangle as shown. Here AB is equals to 8 cm and BC is 4 cm. What is the perimeter of this figure ABC PQRA in centimeters? Well, the perimeter of this figure will be the addition of the lengths of all the sides. So I can write it as P is equals to AB plus BC plus CP plus PQ plus QR plus RA, last side. Okay, now CP plus QR will be equal to AB, isn't it? So I can write, I have the CP and QR, so I can write AB plus BC plus CP plus QR plus PQ plus RA. Rest of the terms are as they are. So CP plus QR can be written as AB. So I have AB plus BC plus again I have AB plus PQ plus RA. Now in the same way I can write PQ plus RA as CB, because PQ plus RA is equals to CB, isn't it? PQ and RA. So these two terms I can write AB plus BC plus AB plus PQ plus RA is CB, isn't it? So what I have is 2 times AB plus 2 times BC, right? And we have been given the values of AB and BC. So 2 times 8 plus 2 times 4, and that's 16 plus 8, and that is equals to 24 centimeter. Easy, right? So option A is the correct answer. The length of a rectangle is 3 times of its width. If the length of the diagonal is 8 root 10 centimeter, then what is the perimeter of the rectangle? Now we have been given the length of the diagonal as 8 root 10 centimeter, and we have the length of the rectangle is 3 times of its width. So if I consider the width as x centimeter, the length will be 3x. Okay. Now, as the angles in the rectangle are of 90°, this is basically a right angle triangle. So from Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to the base square plus the height square. So I have 8 root 10 square is equals to x square plus 3x whole square. So 8 8s are 64 times root 10 square is 10 is equals to x square plus 9x square. So 64 times 10 is equals to 10x square. This 10 and this 10 gets cancelled out. X is equals to under root of 64, and that is 8. So we have the width, that is 8 centimeter. And 3 times 8 is 24. So the length of this rectangle is 24 centimeter. Now we have been asked the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter is equals to twice of length plus breadth for a rectangle, right? So this is twice of 24 plus 8, and that's twice of 32, and that is 64 centimeter. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. The diagonal of a rectangle is under root 41 centimeter and its area is 20 square centimeter. What must be the perimeter of the rectangle? So the diagonal is under root of 41, and let the length and breadth be L and B respectively. Okay, now this is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, I have 41 square, under root of 41 square is equals to L square plus B square. So I have L square plus B square is equals to 41. That's equation 1. Now the area of this complete rectangle is 20 square meter. So length into breadth is equals to 20. This is equation 2. Now what do we want? We want the perimeter of the rectangle. Well, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? It is twice of L plus B, isn't it? Now if I square this perimeter, I get, if I square, I get 2 square into L plus B whole square, right? And that is 4 times L square plus B square plus twice of LB, right? Now L square plus B square is the value from equation 1 we know is 41. So we have 4 times 41 plus we can get LB from equation 2. That's twice times 20. Okay, and on the left hand side we have basically P square. So again P square is equals to 4 times 41 plus 2 times 20 is 40, right? So this is 4 times 41 plus 40 is 81. So we have P square is equals to 4 times 81 is 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. So 324 is P square. So P is equals to root 324, and that is equals to 18 centimeter. So the perimeter is 18 centimeter, option B.